Gardening is the practice of growing and cultivating plants as a part of horticulture. In garden, ornamental plants are often grown for their flowers, foliage, or overall appearance. They are useful plants such as root vegetables, leaf vegetables, fruit, and herbs and are grown for the consumption. Let us have a look on the course overview. This course can be ideal to start your career in gardening and developing awareness about gardening. This is an introductory course which can be chosen by anyone with no previous experience in this trade. You will discover how to choose suitable plant, container, and material to attain a professional outcome and how to sustain your plant with least efforts. This course facilitates the use of courtyard, balcony area and garden to draw up a plan and how to evaluate the conditions. This is by selecting appropriate flowers and plants, implementing the principle of good design and to maintain the plants. Growing concern about pesticide in our food supply have led to an increased interest in organic gardening and availability of organic produce. Processed food contain additives and preservatives that may consumers want to avoid. A house with a nice yard is pleasure to look at and satisfying to live in. Your home can be made more inviting by simply adding a container of colorful flowers near the front door. Gardeners find that more they learn about plants and gardening, the more they want to know. Problems with insect or spot on leaves provide the opportunity to find out the cause and understand how to keep plants healthy. Let us have a look on objectives of the course. This course gives an insight of how gardening contributes to sustainable environment and makes you aware about the traditional and modern methods of gardening. This course will make you learn how space can be utilized to its best in the garden to grow the plants. Students will learn about the art of growing and caring for the plants. Now let's have a look at the structure of course in detail. The duration of course will be 5 weeks and students need to contribute 3 to 4 hours per week. Our teaching methodology includes PowerPoint presentation and video lectures. Study material will be provided to you as lecture notes. Student knowledge on subjects studied are judged on the basis of assessment, which is comprising of multiple choice exam, assignment and capstone project. Now let us have a look at the structure of the course. Week 1 comprises of following topics, which are Introduction to Gardening, its scope and objective of gardening, types of gardens, components of garden and tools used in gardening. It is followed by Quizometer and Assignment 1. Week 2 topics are Type of containers used in garden, the role of water, transpiration, the guard cells, the water take up by the roots, and conduction of water. Relative humidity, turgor, water in soil, the water table, soil structure and water salinity. Another topic is nursery production and management. Culture and garden calendar, preparation of nursery bed, sowing of seed and different irrigation method used in gardening. At the end of every week, student has to appear for Quizometer and assignment. Let us have a look on week 3 topics. These are identification of weeds and method of weed control, pest and disease management and their control methods, identification of ornamental plants and types of garden, designing of indoor gardens, followed by Quizometer and assignment. In week 4, student has to appear for assessment comprising of multiple choice question and result of this assessment will be displayed by the end of 4th week. Students need to submit a project by the end of 4th week and topic of project will be shown to you in the start of 2nd week.